This is a map of Asia, and I have a question for you. How many colors would it take for this map to be colored in so that no adjacent countries which share a border are of the same color? That means that A and B cannot be of the same color over here as they do share a border. Now you might have an urge to do something like this, what I'm doing here, but let me save you from that. Pause right there, my bro, because people from all over the world have been trying to solve this, and even my friend Bob over here doesn't know. And well, of course Bob didn't know because using 1200 hours of computer calculations in 1972, Kenneth Apple and Wolfgang Haken did it. I probably didn't say their names right, but hey, props to them, right? They introduced the four-color theorem, the life savior for map makers. It said that no more than 4 colors are needed to color a map where adjacent countries which share a border don't have the same color. But there is an exception to this theory, but it's nothing more than like if regions are disconnected like empires and colonies, now they would need more colors. So yeah, that's all there is. Well, that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed Bob's company and my company, and I hope you learned something new.